To be able to access that Excel file and CSV file on SAS On Demands for academics using SAS Studio, one need to first upload this data into the server. So if you go to your left and you click, and you can just see that there is certain folder shortcuts and files. So if you click on that, we will create this file. We will create files under these files folder. So to do that is we are going to right click and say and go to new folder. So let's call this folder SAS. So we have created this new folder. Now we need to upload those two files into SAS Studio. To do that, you click on this new folder and you go to upload and click on choose file. Then go to wherever you downloaded those files. In this case, it's in downloads. Going to start with this one and upload. It's now shown is showing under access data folder. I'm going to upload the second file, class birth date, and click on upload. So now we have uploaded these two files in SAS Studio. The first thing we are going to be learning about is how can we access these Excel files and CSV files. But first, let us look at how can we access an Excel file through a library. First, as we learned the syntax in the previous video, we are going to first start with an option, valid name, and set it to be equals to V7. So this option makes sure that the naming of tables follows SAS naming convention. Next is we need labeling keyword. Okay, what follows is the reference. So we are going to serve this as say XL plus to create the name of our reference. What follows is the engine. So for Excel files, the engine is XLSX. Now, we want to get the location. So in this case, to get the location, since this is the file that you require and we want to use, you right click and you go to properties. And then you will see the location. You copy all of that and paste. Now the location will be in quotation marks. Now we have created our first library. Let's run that. So SAS has created a library for us. If you go straight to libraries and you click on that, we should be able to see XL class, the reference to this library. If you click on that, we can be able to see all the tables that are being stored inside this library. Now, we want to access those tables. First, let's say we want to see how class table looks like. So we can use for content and say data equals to. Now, to be able to access class table which exists inside the library that we created, we are going to use the reference, which is XL class. If we click on dot, SAS will be able to show to you what access do you have using this reference. So now let's look at class tables. And we run it. So we can now have a look at all the variables, the variable types, the length and format that exist inside class table.